Okay, I'm back. We got 2 pieces of bark in here, and we're gonna sprinkle all over here. Okay, I think that's enough. Let me get this bowl over here a little bit. And we're going to give it 2 spoonfuls of sprinkles. I want to be generous, so I'm going to give it another spoonful of sprinkles. That's 4. Over here, I'm going to give it 4. Alrighty. Now what we're going to do is take this little handy dandy fork over here, and I'm going to mix it up. Get those sprinkles all over there. I want it to look like confetti going on. Alrighty. Hold on, y'all. Confetti. You calling me in the middle of my video? I'm trying to make.
Calling you in the middle of one of your videos?
Yes, I'm trying to make me some confetti popcorn.
Okay, my bad. I was just trying to catch up with you because it's been a while since we talked. But I guess when you get a chance, just hit me back.
All right. Alright, where is my... Oh, here it goes. Got a little discombobulated thing. We're going to take this popcorn and lay it out just like how we did this here. Matter of fact, we might do this. Candy out the way. And we're going to spread her out right on this paper here. She's looking pretty good. I sure hope this turned out pretty good for me, y'all. It didn't melt this go around, so you know that's good. I just want it to get hard, so I wish it was like that ice cream one where you put it on ice cream and it get hard as a shell as soon as you put it on there. Yep. Alrighty, so we got that going. Now we're gonna go over here and mix this one up. We're running out of space, y'all. Scoot this over some more. It feels like it's getting hard though. As I'm scooting over. It is, y'all. It is. Okay. Okay, I think that's about almost done over there, so I'm gonna scoot that over to the side. Okay, y'all. I'm feeling proud. Let's see what we can got going on over here with this one. We even got some healthy popcorn going on for y'all. Even give y'all that buttery stuff. I better hurry up and get dry for my daughter coming here with her little greedy self. Okay. Now I brought some little plastic bags also. I'm gonna tie them up in here for right now until I make my little chip bags. But we're gonna let these sit here and dry, and I'm gonna cover everything back up and put it up in safe keepings. Okay, be back with you guys.